This video describes the functions of a Ponzi scheme. If you take this video as a serious investment solicitation, then God help you, because I cannot. Good morning, buongiorno, brothers and sisters. Today I'm going to show you the best money-making opportunity I have ever seen, probably the best money-making opportunity in the history of the world. I'm going to show you how an initial deposit of only $100 at the 7% daily interest rate in 2 years compounded daily will give you, let's see, hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, quadrillions, quintillions, sextillion, an excellent number, how you can be the owner of $281 sextillion in just 2 short years. This is about 1 million times as much currency is circulating across every country in the entire world. And now let's go even further than that. Let's see, how much money is Earth worth? So Earth is worth approximately $5 quadrillion, and the amount of money that you can have in just 2 years is over 100,000 times as much money as the entire value of the entire world liquidated. And all this can be yours very quickly in just 2 short years. Let me show you how to do it. To make this kind of money, we're going to use the cryptocurrency Tron. So I want you to do this. Go first and go to Tron and look up Tron. You'll see it here, Tron. Now to get to the actual website, we're going to go to trx.cool. Now on this website, you'll get the opportunity to log in. You know where to find the link to log in. Now here's what I want you to look at. Even though we're going to make over 29 or 290 sextillion in 2 years, we should also think about the amount of money you can make by referring people. So this is not a pyramid scheme at all. It is not a Ponzi. The primary way to make money off of this website is to refer people. So if somebody signs up with your referral, you get their money. It goes to you. And then they will also earn $29 quadrillion in the first year and a half. When you log in, the first thing that you're going to notice is that you already have 800 Tron. Now, as we cruise around the website, the first thing we should always look at is the withdrawal option. You don't want to just have money on the screen. You want to make sure that we can actually withdraw the money. So if I go here to withdraw, you'll find that my daily limit for withdrawals is $0.00. I can withdraw 0 Tron today. The only way to make a withdrawal from the website is first to deposit. So in this very high quality web page in the Sri Lankan time zone, we can transfer to a promotional account or a basic account. In the basic account, still a very high quality web page, you'll discover that you can send your money to this address whenever you want to. After that point, you hit the recharge completed button, and then it will recharge the amount of Tron you have in your balance. Again, you can withdraw at this point. You can only withdraw after you have made a deposit, and at that point, you can only withdraw 5% daily of what you deposited. If you do not deposit every 3 days, your money will disappear from your account because the account will be closed. So you are earning 7% interest, you can withdraw 5% interest daily, and if you do not deposit more money every 3 days, your account will be closed. So you must deposit more money to make sure that you can achieve these sextillion dollars. Now, ignoring the fact that you will have more money in your wallet than there is in circulation in the entire world after about 2 years, let's also keep in mind you can make more money by referring people to this organization. So everybody that you refer, you will receive 13% of their deposits. Everybody the people whom you refer, you will get 7 or 8% of their deposits. And then down here on level 3, you will get about 2% of their deposits. So even though you will make trillions and trillions of dollars every year, you will also be able to get approximately 2% of somebody else's deposit, which is also very important too. According to trx.cool, you'll find that they have, how many members is this? 409 million members, all of whom are earning interest. So if we start by making a projection that all of them are starting with $56 of promotional balance times 400 million, if we assume there is at least this much money involved in the platform, all earning 7% daily interest, after 2 years, this will give us an approximate value on this platform of hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, quadrillions, quintillions, sextillions, septillions, octillions, what is that, the ninth order noctillions, something like that. There will be about $64.5 noctillion in circulation on just this one platform within 2 years. So this is a highly sustainable business model. I strongly recommend that everybody who's interested in having more money than the earth is worth after simply 2 years should 100% put their money into this. It is guaranteed, risk-free business model, and don't forget, you can earn between 13 and 2% of what the people behind you also invest into this program. So inshallah, if all of us are successful, we will be able to drive this number even higher, and trx.cool will be the most valuable system in the entire universe. As I've said several times already, this is a very well-made website as well. You can see these elongated shapes here indicating that they are associated with several Chinese companies, including Binance. None of these are actually clickable. Now, if you want to invest, you can do that here. There are currently no products to invest in. All you can do is invest your money directly into your account by sending money. You might wonder how it was possible for me to discover such a tremendous opportunity. Well, it should be no surprise. I receive a lot of emails every day about solicitation for my channel. So the one I liked the best was here. It's from Shirley Yang. Subject is "Hello, beautiful lady." Of course, I'm going to click on it. And what do I see here? Her name is actually Maria. She's emailing me from tron666666@hotmail.com. Works for a company called Technis, a subsidiary of Intercontinental Exchange Group, listed at an address that does not actually exist, and they are promoting their company all over the world. Now, when I connected with Maria/Shirley Yang on Telegram, I discovered her real name is actually Anna Orlando. She says, "Hello friend, it's great to get in touch with you." And after a long discussion, she told me all about Tron, and she has agreed to pay me $50 to make this video because she would not accept $200 as a price. She said my channel is only worth $50. So I received that $50 in Tron from her already, and now I'm encouraging everybody to take a serious look at how you can also achieve hundreds of trillions of dollars in just a matter of months by investing $100 into this not Ponzi scheme. I think you'll discover after serious consideration that dividends and investing in stock options, buying shares, these are all worthless strategies. All you need to do is throw $100 into trx.cool and you can get a piece of this $64 noctillion pie. Now I need to see if that's actually what this is called, noctillion. No, it's not noctillion. What comes after octillion? After octillion, it is nonillion dollars. So if you want a piece of this $64 nonillion pie, all you need to do is invest $100 and it will all be yours in just 2 years. So thank you for watching this video. Mashallah, we will all become very rich. Thank you and have a good week.